Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make props for storytelling competition. Materials required are 1. A4 size white paper, 2. Acrylic colors, 3. Scissors, 4. Brush, 5. 2 popsicles, 6. Glue. The story is about the proud rose. Here it begins. Once upon a time, there was a rose that was very proud of her beautiful look. The only disappointment was that the rose grew next to an ugly cactus. Every day the rose would insult the cactus on his looks, but the cactus stayed quiet. All the other plants and trees around the rose tried to stop it from bullying the cactus, but the rose was too swayed by its beauty to listen to anyone. Spring passed, summer came. There was no rain, the garden dried up, and there was no water for the plants. The rose slowly began to lose its beautiful color and started to wilt. Rose saw a sparrow dip its beak into the cactus and drank water from it. The rose felt ashamed to ask help from the cactus, but finally it did ask. The kind cactus agreed happily. The sparrows watered the rose. They both became friends and got through summer. So, moral of the story is never judge anyone by their appearance.